Hey Google, where's the Z? Please put the Z on YouTube channel or else. Did you sell the Z? Bro, where's the Z? There's a lot of people. There's even some stuff that probably shouldn't be shown on here. Did you trade the Z for Jerome? Be honest. Where's the Z? Where's the Z? Where's the Z? Where's the Z? Where is the 350Z? We're not even, dude. 2 months, several tattoos, 1 R35, 2 Hondas, 1 D16, and 1 clothing drop ago. Trackstar and I spent 2 excruciatingly long weeks trying to quite literally cram an LS3 into my 350Z. After almost 20 15 to 16 hour work days to get everything finalized, to get the motor built and everything like that, and we made it to a drift event. Unbeknownst to me at this point, my car had a lot more issues going on than any of us knew. Although it was a terrible day and a lot of stuff was going on with the car, I guess I need to sit you guys down and explain, because you guys have been asking for weeks now what's been going on with my built LS3 350Z. Let's go back to the day it happened. Bruh, I walk outside and I get just, I'm wet. You guys wanna get a sneak peek of what's been going on with the Civic? Been working pretty hard the last couple days, and it's pretty dang close. What's up, brother? Let me, oh yeah, we matching shirts? I like that. I like that. Here she is again. I really miss this thing. I can't wait to drive this around on the street, mob around in a Corvette-powered Nissan. Homies over here at Trackstar actually fixed my hydro, which is amazing. Like, look at that. Just pull it back. Oh, that's amazing, amazing. Clutch is good. Brakes feel strong. There's the man of the hour. You getting your practice with the Hondas? Just got done tuning this bad boy. Oh guys, I have the cutest picture I want you guys to see of us two at my house. What a beast, bro. So another big thanks to Corvo Seats. We started off last video with them, but we actually got some more for this guy. They're hooking us up, and we're gonna have Corvos in every car pretty soon. Okay.
Corvos, hooking it up.
We got some nice ones for this.
Yeah.
These are like really,
those
really nice.
Really nice.
So, my butt is gonna be so comfy.
How does the sides feel? Dude, that's great.
It's like the real version of what I have.
The real version?
I was say I wish I had some gas to really break it in, but
yeah,
haven't had any today. So
yeah.
So I don't know if you guys remember this, but the previous owner helicoiled and drilled these out for some reason, or maybe the previous owner. So we had to cut those out. We're making brackets to go under the brackets. Not the ideal beginning of the day. It's actually taking up most of the day. We're gonna make it some custom brackets to where I really, really like it, and then we'll go around the dyno. About to make it permanent. All right, sir. There goes a nice little leg burn for the boys. Okay, good enough for now. We've got them in. Very excited about that. We do have to do a little bit of modification on the hydro bracket, which is not exciting, but it's good enough for right now, so Ethan can tune it. That smells so good.
You still need to move over.
There we go. I'm assuming because the simplicity of the motor, it probably is way easier to tune than say my JZ. Like you don't have to do. Yeah, but you shouldn't say things like that. Oh, yeah, sorry. My bad. This thing is so loud. How much horsepower do you think it's gonna make, baby? I think, give me a good guess, final guess. Now that it's on EFI.
So we saw 540 on the engine dyno.
Yeah, 502. That's my guess.
I'm gonna tell you it's probably like 480.
All right, 480. All right.
I'm gonna be optimistic, 510.
510. That's a lot. That smells like brake for sure. Yeah. Loud. Oh yeah. Oh no.
It has been rolling this whole time.
Did you just realize you're like, oh, I left my flashlight?
I saw the light spinning over there and I thought, oh my god, that's my flashlight. That's on the roller right now. This was rolling
So like
at full dyno speed. Yes.
So funny. What I drove with last event.
Yeah.
Oh geez.
Yeah, so I mean, yeah, it's a good looking shape here.
That even felt fast.
Oh, yeah.
Yikes, let's go.
Potentially exhaust leaky, or is it like motor
That sounds like a tick. It sounds like motor. So it's kind of hard to hear it, but at the very end of that video you could hear a not so great sound that usually could mean like a lifter tick, could mean some simple issues. We did not feel comfortable keeping the car going. So at the track event, the car was supposed to make like 450. We put it on the dyno, and on the exact same tune it made about 300. So we knew something weird was going on. So I want to say, before I start getting into this, I want to say ATK has built the motor for us, and they have been an incredible help. ATK does warranty their engines, and they have been on top of helping us. So initially, we thought that we had a bad lifter. I mean, that's a very common issue in the LS world. We thought that we had a bad lifter. And so ATK came to the shop and took the heads off and diagnosed and saw that it was not a lifter. So basically, at this point in time, we don't know what's going on. I think as of today or tomorrow, the car is going onto the lift to get the motor taken out and rebuilt. So it's a very unfortunate situation. ATK is a very renowned company that makes very strong, reliable, good motors. And so the fact that this has happened so quickly leads everyone to just question what in the world is going on. We had 50 weight oil in the car and we had everything prepped correctly. We should not have lost or dropped any oil pressure. We were keeping a close eye on that on the track. I don't really know exactly what they think is going on, nor am I going to say and try and jinx myself of whatever is going on, but it's weird. So I can't tell you how much I absolutely miss that car. I can't wait to get it back, because that day we spent the whole day like bracing the car and fixing the car up for the next event, and we're supposed to go to Texas Motor Speedway. But thank God we didn't, because if we would have finished tuning that car or whatever, that could have been bad. It could have been really bad, because Texas Motor Speedway is hot, it's high revving, and it's fast. So I don't really know what could have happened, and I don't want to think about that, but I do want to say a special thanks to Trackstar and ATK for taking care of this really, really weird situation. I know it's super easy in something like this to point fingers and say this person did this person did this, but really what we have is a weird recipe that created a very rare, weird, odd issue for a car that's fully built, and it had no oil pressure issues or any issues at all in the dyno. They broke the motor in on the dyno, and the motor made a healthy 540 crank horsepower. You guys saw that video. That exact same motor, we put EFI, tuned it, and we made what we thought was like 420 horsepower. But something went wrong, I guess, on the track, and yeah. And unfortunately, I don't have too much more information. But it has been so long, I don't want you guys to think that I like sold the car or got stolen or like something, and I feel like I needed to come out and say something. We all spent a lot of money and a lot of time and effort in doing this just for it to disappear, and we would have all hoped by now it would have been back together and running, but we've all had a crazy schedule, and I certainly do not have time to go and pull the motor and stuff like that. So thankfully ATK is helping stay on top of that, and Trackstar is working right beside them. A very good joint task force in getting all this done. So I wish I had better information for you, but I do not. Hopefully the 350Z will be back soon. I will say this has taken a lot off my plate, especially taking these two Hondas on and doing some other stuff. So it's given me a nice break. It keeps my garage clean and clear, so not super upset about it. I guess along with this, my daily advice for you guys is to be patient and understand that weird things in life happen. And nothing to do with cars, but things in life just happen. You might spend a lot of time, you might have worked your ass off and worked the hardest you've ever done on something, on a project for work or something, and it might fall through. This is a good example of even when the absolute best work together, things can go wrong. So don't get discouraged when it does. I'll catch you guys later, and hopefully the Z will be back soon, and we'll be doing donuts and drifting soon enough. I got 2 videos for you guys that I need you to watch right there. Lots of stuff that's been going on, all right? All right? That's all I have to say to you guys. I want my Z back, but I have Hondas to build, so it's great. It's fine. Bye.